Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Today my sister is getting married today, so we are just going to quickly do some makeup, wedding makeup. Yay! If you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please take this moment to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Okay, we just start with Estee Lauder foundation double wear. That's her favorite. I have done my sister's makeup over a year ago or two, and if you notice on that video, she also used Estee Lauder, is her favorite. So just use our makeup brush, face or powder brush to tap it down. Just blend it. The concealer we are using is also Estee Lauder, about two shades lighter than the foundation. So we're just gonna highlight every area. I am back at it, dancing. The music is on. We're actually playing Benin Edo songs, Bagadi. So we are using a daylight, no artificial light. We are doing in Bagadi. The weather today is actually 28 degrees in England. Can you imagine? So I blend the highlighter with sponge, and I use a contour stick from Revolution. I'm just dabbing it down now. The shade is F18. I also have F15. Came together. So I just blending down, just blending. We're gonna do a lot of blending. Yes, my sister was actually getting married, and I am responsible for all the makeup. So the pressure is on, guys. The pressure is on, and it is my job to make sure this makeup is 5-star makeup. I am serious right now. I'm serious because it's her day. She want her day. She be working hard toward this wedding for a very long time, and it is her day, and I want her day to be perfect. So I'm going to set her face right now. I am using our setting powder. I still yet to review to you guys on YouTube, but if you follow me any other platform, you know this has been available on our website. I'm using shade Tan to set under everywhere I have highlighted. So we are just setting. For now we are setting. We are going to set and bake because the weather is 28 degrees. It's like 9 a.m. in the morning as we are doing this makeup, but I've had a shower, but I'm sweating already. It's gonna be a long day today. So I'm still setting. Gonna use, as I said before, I'm still using shade Tan to set because my sister is actually a slightly just 1 or 2 shades darker than me. So I'm still setting. She's very oily. When I mean oily, I have oily skin, oily face and all that, but my sister, she's 2 times oilier than me, and the weather is 28 degrees. The pressure is on because I don't want her makeup to melt. We are 28 degrees, like I said before. So now I'm going to bake. I'm using shade banana to bake, which is slightly lighter, also from our brand. So I use a deep dark to set all over her face. I did that off camera because the video is getting too long. A deep dark from our brand. Then I now use a bronze from Revolution. This is actually hers. Mine is 1 shade lighter. I also like this. So this is like a blush palette / highlighter from Revolution. I think it's Revolution Time Rossi or something like that. So I am taking the darkest shade to do her blush. That is what I am doing. I have not done highlighter. I did highlighter off camera. I also use our brand, which is the Queen Idia highlighter we newly released. I have done a video, but I have not put it up for you guys. But if you follow me on social or if, any other platform, you will also realize that we have came out with our own highlighter, 5 different shade highlighter, and also 10 different shade of setting powder. Of course, when I was doing the eyebrow, you know, we have eyebrows pencil on our website, MIT Beauty. Use that one. Then I use what is it called now? Eye Base Revolution shade light. I just pick a Ramdon palette, nude palette from all the palette I've got. So we're going for like a natural glam look. We are going for. As for lashes, okay, like I was saying before, the voice recording just cut off randomly. For lashes, my sister absolutely love our lashes, but this time, because she's going on honeymoon as well, she decided to go and do the individual lashes, that expensive one. So we just blending the eyeshadow. You guys know how I do my eyeshadow. When you are doing makeup for yourself, it's one job, but when you are doing it for other people, it's completely different. The angle where you are standing, sitting there in front of camera and do your own makeup, or in front of mirror, is different from when you are doing someone else's makeup. And the pressure is on because I don't want makeup to melt today. We are not going to melt. No matter the weather, I'm going to make sure this makeup stand the weather. So we just use a matte liquid lipstick she absolutely love. Yes, we did a bit of a lip liner. I just use a black shade from eyeshadow palette, you know, use a tiny winning brush to just apply on there, then add this to it just for her lip to have shape going on. No much going on. So before I even try to dust the powder, it just melt to her skin, because the powder have a unique way. It doesn't stay, it melts into your skin. So all the powder is just melts, all seeking. As you can see right here, before the spray, she's looking absolutely 100% matte. But yes, now the spray is not giving her a bit of glow, but she absolutely adore this look. Look at her. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on my next video.